Hey, it's Marco, and in this video I'm going to show you how to withdraw money from your PayPal account. But before I start, please consider subscribing to my channel, it helps me out a lot. Now what you want to do is open up your PayPal app, and now what you would usually do is you will see your PayPal balance that you have some money. But what you would do is tap on wallet at the bottom right and you would see some funds over here. Basically underneath this screen or above banks and cards, you would see transfer money. You will basically click on transfer money, then you can select if you want it in minutes, on here 1 to 3 days. If you want it fast, it has a little bit of fees. You add your credit card information, click send, and that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, like this video and comment if it was helpful. If you still need help, let me know what was the problem and I'll do my best to help you out.